MasterMover electric tugs, load-moving solutions for safety and efficiency. The Master Tug range. Designed for power with an AC drive motor that provides maximum torque even at low speeds and a high-torque planetary gearbox, a single operator can move loads up to 30,000 kilograms. Traction is achieved by a hydraulic weight transfer system, concentrating the load weight directly over the optimized drive wheel, enabling the operator to easily and safely push, pull, and steer loads. FEA testing ensures the Master Tug is strong. The dual-secured mast remains rigid under the biggest loads, and couplings are zinc-coated for durability. Safety is a key aspect of all Master Tug models. The self-adjusting caster guard eliminates foot trap risks, whether under load or steering through 180 degrees. Automatic braking brings the load to a stop when the controls are released. With an interchangeable, maintenance-free battery, the Master Tug can be used 24 hours a day, whilst the battery monitoring system ensures you know when a quick battery change is required. The Master Tug range. Complete control and maneuverability. Contact us now for a free evaluation.